In the silence, I can hear your voice.